Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking for a dresser that can be opened and closed every single day and withstand that kind of wear, check out this BORNOON white dresser. It's stunning. The grain of it has this beautiful texture and it's easy to keep clean because it has this gorgeous white, nice matte finish. It's wonderful for opening and closing these drawers. They're smooth. It's not at all shaky or awkward, but it's very easy for opening and closing. It's also beautiful with the deep pockets. So with my daughter, she can have everything nicely tucked in there and organized, and that's important for all of us women. I appreciate the anti-tipping design. So even though I don't recommend opening every drawer, you can see how it's not tipping over and every drawer is open here, especially the top ones all the way open. And the smooth design of the handles is nice to the touch for the hand. And this really has that farmhouse look to it. It's really stunning. It would be a great centerpiece in your living room. I can see it passing in the kitchen. I also appreciate it in the bedroom for ample storage with a minimalistic design. The handles are really pretty, this black metal. It's very rustic, and the backing as well is really well made. So if you're looking for a high quality dresser that's easy to put together and something that can withstand a family, I highly recommend this one.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.